People think that Accutane costs whatever their insurance copay is, anywhere from $15 to $75 a month. Today, I'm going to show you the hidden expenses that can add up to thousands, especially if you don't have insurance, and the coupon strategy that can slash your bill by nearly $2,000. I'm Danny, and this is Today Danny Learn. This is my fourth video on my series on Accutane. Today I'm going to break down the real cost of Accutane that nobody talks about and how to get discounts. I went full-blown detective and called 6 different pharmacies in my area. The price variations are going to blow your mind. Let's start with what seems reasonable. If you have insurance, you're looking at anywhere from $15 to $75 a month for the generic medication. Let's say the average copay is $50. That times, let's say you do the treatment for 6 months, that equals $300 total. Now, without insurance, the average cost for the medication is $330. That times 6 is $1,980. And that's just the beginning of your financial journey with Accutane. But stick around and I'm going to show you how to get isotretinoin for way cheaper, even if you have insurance. The medication cost might end up being the smallest part of your bill. Now, here's what nobody tells you. The hidden expenses that multiply faster than your oil glands. I'm talking monthly dermatologist visits, monthly blood work, monthly pregnancy tests, survival supplies like heavy-duty moisturizers, petroleum-based lip balms, and high SPF sunscreen. These add up fast because you need them every single month for 6 months straight. This bill is like going to the movie theater, and then you end up spending more money at the concession stand than with the movie ticket itself. And wait until you hear about the pharmacy pricing games. Now, before we get into my detective work with the pharmacies, make sure to like and subscribe to get more content like this. And don't forget to check out TDL's free resource library where I added my survival kit that will help you minimize the side effects. I added the link to the description. There you're going to be able to find my complete Accutane survival kit with product links. I'm going to continue to add more resources to the library, so feel free to bookmark it. I called 6 different pharmacies in my area, and the price variations for 30 milligram isotretinoin were absolutely wild. So here's the actual data for this medication without insurance. CVS charges $217, Walgreens $617, Walmart $158. It makes no sense. That's a $459 a month difference between the highest and the lowest. Over 6 months, that's $2,754. Pharmacy shopping isn't just smart, it's essential survival in the Accutane game. But the real game changer is the coupon strategy that might beat even good insurance. So here's the money-saving secret that's actually going to blow your mind. With GoodRx, you can get 30 capsules of 30 milligram at CVS for about $58. Now, if your insurance charges you a $75 copay, that's $17 a month in savings. If you multiply that by 6 months, that's $102 saved. Another way to save is with the manufacturer discount programs. Depending on the brand you choose, you can pay as little as $20 a month. So the best case scenario, $20 a month times 6 months, that's $120 total for the medication. That versus $450 that some insurances will charge you for the generic. So you can have insurance and still save $330. Coupon apps aren't just for groceries. They're a secret weapon against pharmaceutical pricing games, and I always use them. And I added all the money-saving resources to the video description. With the right strategy, this treatment can be more affordable. Now that you know how to save money on Accutane, you might be wondering if all those scary stories you hear are actually true. On my next video, I separate fact from fiction, and I show you which side effects are real versus internet myths. I'm going to add that video somewhere up here, so make sure to check it out, because having accurate information can actually help you make a more informed decision. If you have any questions about Accutane costs and saving programs, or if you have a better way to get isotretinoin for cheaper, drop that in the comments. Make sure to subscribe to get more content like this, and I'll see you guys when I learn some new stuff.